How to count cells with numbers in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to count the number of cells that contain values in Excel using the count function. So let's dive right in. Open up your Excel. And then I have a list of product along with their sales figure. What I want to do is count how many sales have been recorded in each year. So I'll just select the cell where I want the value and then type equals count, select it, and then I'll put in the select the range that I want it to count from and then just hit enter. And after selecting this, it will give the answer. So there you have it. The result shows that 12 cells in this range contain values. And you can do this with big data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.